Hi everyone, Rick from wingstuff.com. Today I'm going to be talking about the proper way to put your Honda Goldwing on the center stand, which is something that I constantly see people doing wrong all the time. So whether you're big, whether you're small, I see the biggest guys struggling with putting their bike up on the stand no matter how strong they are because they're doing it wrong. The biggest problem people do is they use their upper arm or their upper body to struggle trying to get the bike up. You don't do that. You're using your leg. 100% of the power comes from your leg. You're only holding that rail with your arm, that's it. Another problem I see is they get nervous and they lean the bike towards them and they're trying to put on the center stand and only 1 foot is touching the ground. There's 2 feet on your center stand. You have to find that position where you push down, and once you start pushing down, you push the bike away from you just a little bit and you can feel when they both touch, and then use your leg, straighten your leg. When you straighten your leg, that's how you're putting the bike on the center stand. Now I have a ride-off stand on my bike, which means the rear wheel doesn't come off the ground. The stock stand, of course, raises the rear wheel up a little higher, but that's okay, same principle. So here we go. I feel both of them touch. Up. It's that simple. So, I hope you found this helpful. Ride safe.